Do you know how many leaders Sri Lanka has been ruled by? So, according to documented history, we are capable of enumerating the different military rulers this island has had ever since 543 BC, or the era when Vijaya landed on this island. Ever since then, that is 2568 years ago, nearly 25 centuries have passed, and we have had numerous rulers. During that period, the country has been ruled by 178 kings or queens and governed by 20 Portuguese captains general, 31 Dutch governors, 31 British governors and 2 governors general, 1 Ceylonese governor general, and 9 Sri Lankan presidents. I got most of these numbers from a brilliant book titled The Military History of Ceylon, an outline, and it's by Anton Muthukumaru, who was the first Ceylonese commander of the army. The book splits Ceylon's military history into 3 periods. The Indian period from 543 BC during Vijaya's times to the 1500s, that is when we had our ancient kings. The colonial period from the 1500s to the 1900s, and then the modern period. This is the period after independence. The author goes on to write about the great military rulers of this country. In fact, he concludes towards the end of the book that although we had almost 180 different kings rule this island, only 6, according to him, were great military rulers who took the necessary steps to defend the island militarily, mostly from external invasions at that time. They are Dutugemunu or Duttagamini, Gajabahu, Dhatusena, Vijayabahu the First, Parakramabahu the Great, and Parakramabahu the Sixth. In his study of Sri Lanka's military history, he states that only these 6 ancient kings made any worthwhile contribution to the development of military affairs. About the rest of the kings, he does write a bit about their military traditions, but overall, he mentions that there was no move by them to follow the precedent created by these 6 royals to maintain a force for security purposes. The only initiative that seems to have been taken was in the setting up of palace guards for personal security. A threat had to arise in the form of an invasion or security crisis before the effort was made to deal militarily with that threat. If you learned something new through this video, follow my page for more.